home from the candy store. Now the whole neighborhood's knocking at my door. Jelly beans, I better hide my jelly beans. 'Cause there's 100 kids from who knows where, looking through the window hoping I might share my jelly beans. I better hide my jelly.
Jelly Belly jelly beans are delicious and fun to eat. But did you know they can also be used to make real works of art? From afar, this looks like a regular mosaic. But here, look closer, even closer. It's actually made entirely out of jelly beans.
There's so many different flavors and colors of Jelly Belly beans that it makes for a great artist's palette. Making Jelly Belly art has evolved over the years. The first Jelly Belly portrait by Peter Rocha and President Ronald Reagan took over 6 months to create. They used to dip the beans in a resin and then place them one by one with chopsticks onto the portrait.
This is Jelly Belly art. Like many processes, Jelly Belly art techniques improved over time. What once took 6 months now takes between 3 and 8 weeks, depending on the complexity of the piece. The artist starts with an underpainting to serve as a guide for color placement. The jelly beans are placed one by one on top of that painting in a mosaic pattern as close together as possible. On average, it takes artist-in-residence Kristen Cummings approximately 100 hours of work, from the start of the guide painting to finishing the piece with an edible resin to preserve and seal the beads in place. Final Jelly Belly art pieces are oversized, many approximately 5 feet by 4 feet. This is so the final image is clearly recognizable. Think of each bead as a pixel. The more detail in the image, the more pixels are needed. Depending on the technique of the artist, a final work of Jelly Belly art can use, on average, 15,000 Jelly Belly jelly beans. And if you look even closer, we've hidden treasures in several works of Jelly Belly art. Can you spot the silver bean? Or an image of Mr. Jelly Belly among all that beautiful candy?
We have a private collection of Jelly Belly art pieces that you will see on your tour today. We also tour our Jelly Belly art pieces around the world, so many people get to appreciate them. There's no limit to the imagination, and that's what I love about Jelly Belly art. Using a material like a jelly bean to create something so magnificent.
I got home from the candy store. Now the whole neighborhood's knocking at my door. Jelly beans, I better hide my jelly beans. 'Cause there's 100 kids from who knows where, looking through the window hoping I might share my jelly beans. I better hide my jelly beans. So many colors for me to choose: red, yellow, green, pink and blue. Look so pretty, taste so good, I'd be stingy if I could, but I open the door and they all pile in. Now everybody wants to be my friend. Jelly beans, I better hide my jelly beans.